Hi, I'm Lou, and today I want to show you how to build a sensor that'll tell you when it's time to add logs to your fire. Here's the stuff we'll need. A water heater lower thermostat for $6, a remote switch extension cord for $6, and silicone caulk for $3. Cut off your switch, cut apart the two wires, strip about 3/4 inch of insulation, bend them into loops and put them under the screw terminals. The polarity doesn't matter here. If you don't want to shock yourself, put a little silicone on these. You need to pick a good mounting spot for the sensor. If you're mounting to the top of your barrel, it's probably going to be too hot, but if you use an angle bracket to stand it off like this, it'll be fine. I'm going to mount directly to the back of my heat reclaimer, and I'll put a link to that in the description. Use a screwdriver to set the temperature where you want to add wood. Plug a light into the other end of your switched extension cord and connect it to power. And it'll come on when you need to add wood. Thanks for watching.